Hello designers, welcome to Steel Structure Pro. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to change the ribbon theme and the drawing area background color in AutoCAD. First, go to the command line and type OP, short for options, and press enter. This will open the options dialog box. Next, switch to the display tab. Under window elements, you can change the color theme from dark to light, or vice versa. To adjust the drawing area background, click on the Colors button. This opens the Drawing Window Colors dialog box. In the Context menu, select 2D Model Space. In the Interface Element menu, select Uniform Background. Now choose your preferred color. In my case, I'll select white. Click Apply and Close, then click Apply and OK in the Options dialog box. As you can see, the ribbon theme and the workspace background have been successfully updated. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to Steel Structure Pro for more AutoCAD tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.